Struggling with poor radio reception in your GM vehicle? What if replacing a single cable could restore crystal clear sound and eliminate interference? The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Cable is designed to do exactly that, delivering reliable performance that meets GM's strict standards. I recently swapped out the old antenna cable on my 2008 GMC Envoy, and the difference was immediate. The original cable had rusted and cracked over time, causing static and weak signals. Once I installed the ACDelco replacement, reception improved noticeably. It fits perfectly because it's manufactured to GM's exact specifications, ensuring seamless compatibility and durability. While installation took some patience, running the cable behind the glove box and through the body panel, it was worth the effort for the boost in signal clarity and overall sound quality. What sets this cable apart is its shielding against outside electrical interference, so your radio signal stays strong and uninterrupted. It uses specialized connectors designed to secure a stable connection between your antenna and entertainment system. Plus, as a GM recommended replacement part, it offers the same quality and longevity you expect from genuine GM components. If you're ready to upgrade your radio experience with a dependable, factory-quality cable, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Radio Antenna Cable is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to enjoy clearer sound and a perfect fit for your GM vehicle.